two popular travel eSIMs, but only one can be your best travel companion. Which one really delivers? On the left, Saily, the affordable, ultra-secure eSIM powered by Nord Security. On the right, Nomad, the hassle-free global eSIM made for seamless roaming. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how these two actually compare. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which eSIM comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. All right, here's how we're breaking things down. We've got price, coverage, network speed, security and features, ease of use, customer support, and refunds and flexibility. I'll go category by category, sort through the quirks, and at the end, you'll know which eSIM wins for your travel style. Let's kick off with price. Saily honestly wins out here. It's consistently cheaper, like you actually see the difference in your wallet. Oh, and they're always running some kind of discount. The catch? Well, your data plan doesn't come with voice or SMS. But honestly, does anyone use those much these days? Nomad's pricing is super transparent, which is nice for peace of mind, and you get lots of bundle options. But generally, Saily gives you more data for less cash. So, first point, Saily takes this one. Next up, coverage. And wow, both of these are heavy hitters. Saily promises access in over 200 countries. Nomad, same story. Plus, added regional bundles if you're bouncing across borders. Both have struck solid local partnerships. I'd say business travelers love Nomad for all-in-one bundles, while Saily sometimes gets a few speed complaints in really remote spots. Nomad's 5G isn't everywhere just yet, but for most travelers, it's a tie. They're both solid. Network speed. Let's talk loading times and TikTok scrolling. Saily, honestly, is a beast. 4G/5G options and mostly consistent performance, especially in hotspots. Yeah, there are rare slowdowns if you go somewhere wild, but for major cities, speedy. Nomad hangs in there with very steady 4G and is super dependable, especially if you're working while you travel. But heads up, their 5G is a bit patchy depending on where you are. So in this round, Saily is the clear winner for speed. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Saily is powered by Nord Security? Yep, same folks behind NordVPN. That means extra travel privacy and security baked right in. Just thought you'd want to know. Let's talk security and features, because, you don't want to get hacked in Bali, right? Saily is backed by freaking Nord Security, the NordVPN folks. So yeah, privacy buffs rejoice. Built-in ad blockers and web protection mean less sketchy pop-ups. Oh, and you don't even need a QR code to install. But just in case you need calls or texts, that's not really included. Nomad, it lets you juggle multiple eSIM profiles right inside the app, and you can share data, which is super handy if you're traveling with friends or extra devices. Thing is, they don't really do extra digital security. So, Saily is hands down the winner for privacy and features. Okay, ease of use. Honestly, both are super simple. You open the app, tap a couple buttons, done. Saily makes setup quick, especially before you even get on your flight. Nomad's app is also super friendly, and monitoring data is easy. Plus, you can handle multiple eSIMs at once. No real headaches with either. So, it's a tie here. Customer support time. If you're like me and immediately panic when tech acts up, you want help fast. Both Saily and Nomad deliver 24/7 live chat, email support, and both have great reviews for actually getting humans on the line. Nomad adds some enterprise travel support, which is neat if you fly for work. I'm going to say it's another tie. Both are on top of their game. Last category, refunds and flexibility. Seriously, this matters when your travel plans change. Saily's policy is awesome. You get a refund for unused data within 30 days. Plus, they're always throwing out promo offers. Nomad only refunds before you actually install the eSIM. Once it's activated, that's it. No turning back. So if you want some peace of mind and flexible options, Saily takes this win. All right, now looking at how these stack up visually across all categories, you'll see Saily coming out ahead in price, speed, security, and refund flexibility, while Nomad keeps up in coverage, ease of use, and support. If you're a numbers person, that's a pretty clear picture. So, wrapping it up, if you want the cheapest, most private, and speedy eSIM deal, Saily is really tough to beat. But if you care about multi-country bundles and business features, Nomad is a great pick. Personally, I lean Saily for the price, privacy, and just that Nord security peace of mind. But honestly, you can't really go wrong with either. Just pick what fits your trip best. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.